Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll explore three essential indicators: Super Bollinger Trend Expo, TSI-CCI Hull, and moving averages. Get ready to enhance your trading strategies with these powerful tools. So first thing first, open TradingView and select the desired trading chart. Click on the Indicators button or type Indicators in the toolbar search box. Search for Super Bollinger Trend Expo in the indicator library and select it. Adjust the indicator's settings based on your preferences and trading strategy. But we adjust the setting on 5 minutes time frame with the period time 12 and multi-time is 3. Once you have configured the settings, click on the Apply button to add the Super Bollinger Trend indicator to your chart. The Super Bollinger Trend Expo indicator appears on the screen, showcasing its unique visual representation of Bollinger Bands and trend direction. Now we will find another indicator for more accuracy for trading. Click on the Indicators button or type Indicators in the toolbar search box. Search for TSI-CCI Hull in the indicator library and select it. Adjust the indicator settings, go to the Style section, and change the CCI line into columns, and then we change an input section long length and short length into 60. Once you have configured the settings, click on the Apply button to add the TSI-CCI Hull indicator to your chart. The TSI, CCI, and Hull indicator values. The background cloud's color of the chart will be green when the TSI value is positive and red when the TSI value is negative. So let's see how to use these indicators for good profit. When the Super Bollinger Trend Expo indicator indicate the signal, the candle is bullish as green as well as the TSI-CCI2 green, and the background cloud in positive way. All conditions are met same way then we take a long position. The risk-reward ratio would be 1:5 and the stop lost would be the lower's high candle. As compared to the short position when the Super Bollinger Trend Expo indicates turn into red and the TSI-CCI indicator turn into red candle with the background red cloud, then we take a short trade. There are few examples of fake trade, and for remove the false trade to more accuracy of we use third indicator. Go to the indicator section and search in the bar 10 in one different moving averages indicator by Himanshu. After apply this indicator, go to the setting and we change EMA 250 and 20 apply. These EMAs are widely used by traders and investors as part of their technical analysis toolkit to understand the overall trend and potential trading opportunities in the market. However, it's important to note that no single indicator can guarantee accurate predictions, and it's often recommended to use them in conjunction with other indicators and analysis techniques for a more comprehensive understanding of the market. Now we try to understand how to use these EMA indicator. A bearish trend crossover occurs when the EMA 20 and 50 moves below the EMA 200. This event indicates a potential shift from bullish to bearish market sentiment. A bullish crossover occurs when the EMA 20 and 50 moves above the EMA 200. I hope you understand this strategy. If so, let me know in comment section. We will find more better way to learn it. Did you enjoy this video? If so, I would greatly appreciate it. If you could subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all my latest content. Thank you for your watching and support. See you in next video.